A warm welcome to Ulwazi Nezindaba. So guys, it turns out ukuthi uFlora, well known as uMahlala Entabeni from the reality show libitwa ngokuthi Umndeni lidlala laphayana kuMoja Love, akazange phela ashiye emhlabeni, usaphila. And yes, kuyashiwo ukuthi u-attemptile ukudidelete yena kodwa it was not a success. So she's coming through with the video la khona asho ukuthi cha kunyindi la kuthwele emahlombe akhe ene kakhulukazi solo uyachubeka uyakhala ngeMoja Love TV kokuthi yena ubasebenzele ngendlela lefanele kodwa up till this day solo imali yakhe akakayitholi. Uyachaza ukuthi sozamile kusebenzisa indlela letiningi in trying ukuthi labantu bambhadale the outstanding amount kodwa nje the only thing labayenda yona uthi bayamdraga bamtshele ngale ndlela abahlupheka ngakhona. They are actually blaming her for coming through social media akhulume ngale issue le. Yo guys, i-depression ikhona cobo and siyambona nje nala kule video yakhe la asho khona ukuthi lento la yendile or lesingathi azama kuyiyenda it was totally wrong and nje uyasho ukuthi natuke umndeni wakhe uyaxolisa natuke abantu nje labamlandzelako ngale ndlela lesimanga uyasho ukuthi cha sekuhamba nje amandla akhe ayaphela and akukho umuntu futhi obonakala ngathi uyamnceda. You are very much welcome to share your views.
Ngiyanibingelela lonke Mzansi wase-South Africa. Ngiyenza le video because of ngifuna ukuxolisa. Ukufuna ukuthatha impilo yami, angase ngeke sengicabangela abantwana bami. Ngibe selfish. Ngicela ukuthi ngixolele kuko konke lokho Mzansi. Nami angizenzanga. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi benwabona amavidiyo wami ku-TikTok. Even though abantu bebakhomenta ngendlela bakhomenta ngayo bengingabuza ubuhlungu by that time. But ngigcine sengibona ukuthi this thing le ibuhlungu. Angikhonanga ukucontrol imizwa yami. Angikwazanga ukucabangela abantwana bami ngaba selfish. Kuko konke lokhu bekungizwisa ubuhlungu. But ngibonga uNkulunkulu wami engimkhonzayo nabezimu basekhaya ukuthi bangikhusele ngibe namandla ukuthi ngikhone ukudlula kulesi simo. Njengoba benwabona amavidiyo wami ku-TikTok guys, bengasinto yokudlala lento bengiyenza. Bengifuna usizo ngendlela engibona ukuthi ngingalithola ngakhona but still angase ngilithole. I cannot go on social media ngikhuluma izinto ukuthi azikho ukuthi ziyangidla and zibuhlungu. Guys, ngibasebenzele abantu beMoja Love and mina besides nginabantwana. Nginomamami ekumele ngabe ngiyamondla. Njengabo abantu engisebenza nabo kuMoja Love fana noDabula noMaseko. Abantu abafana nami kuleyo show ama-main character. Njengoba baclaima kuma-social media ukuthi bona ba-happy ba-right baholile abanankinga neMoja Love. Mina guys ngiqinisile nginayo inkinga neMoja Love. Abantu laba angibayenzanga nice guys, ngibasebenzele and ngabasebenzela clean. Ngaphandle kwento eziningi mhlampe ezingenza ukuthi ekugcineni bangiphathe ngale ndlela bangiphathe ngayo. So they failed to pay me imali yami. And ngisebenzile. The reason why bangafuni ukungibhadala angazi. The worst thing abafuna ukucommunicate nami ba-communicate nomamami kulesimo lesi. I don't know why. Mengizwa bakhuluma nomamami but it's because of mina ngiye ku-social media. I went to social media because of nginenyanga ngicommunicate nabo since October bangangiphenduli. Bangiblock. Azange bafuna ukukhuluma nami. Nginama-record enginawo efonini yomngani wami oseMamelodi uTears. Beza kimi bangitshela ukuthi this thing lena singayilungisa. I come back at home. Ngabatshela ukuthi ngifikile ekhaya abakasebenze ekhaya yithi. ekugcineni bagcine bangibhula bangitshela the way ekhaya sihlupheke ngakhona. That is why ngihlanya ngiye kuma-social media ngifuna imali yami. I have to ukuthi ngiyilwele imali yami to the extent that bangisebenzise ngale ndlela ukuthi wherever that I shoot mina ngami it's a reality. Impilo yami unlike ama-content wabanye abantu abawafeyikayo. Eyami mina impilo bengi-expose for real for them to earn money in a company, but ekugcineni ke kwenzakalani? Abafuna ukungibhadala imali yami guys. Mina nginabantwana abayi-3 and I'm a single parent. Abantwana bami ngiyazondlela bona. Akekho omunye umuntu ongisizayo. Abantwana bami they went to Christmas bangana-next, banganakudla, banganayimpahla. Manje I have to ukuthi bayorejista esikolweni. Anginamali yokuthi bathenge even i-uniform, but mina I've worked hard for the company. Then now I receive nothing from them. And no reason good why they do that to me. I went to many broadcasters ukuthi bangisize bangitshela ukuthi they are fully booked. Bona ngeke bakhona ukungisiza. Some of them you can see ukuthi babablockile. So guys, abantu laba bangibhule too much elifini. Bangibhule too much elifini and bangiphendule umuntu engasi uyena. Like inhliziyo yami ayiseseyihle. Izinto engizicabangayo azikho right. Kusho ukuthi abacabangeli nabantwana bami, abacabangeli imizwa yami. uDabula noMaseko anginandaba nabo because labo ba very cheap. Labo ungabathenga ukuthi bathathe impilo yomunye umuntu. Labo ungabathenga ukuthi bayenze nanoma yini, especially mawukhuluma ngemali. So mina my useless thing ukuthi azange ngivume ngami because ngibona ukuthi this thing leyo ukuthi ngibasebenzele, but I don't get nothing. Ifuture yami isamile. I didn't choose that. That is why ngila ngikhona manje. So mina please ngicela abantu laba bangibhadala imali yami so that I do my things. Ngiqhubekele ngiphile ngephambili.
Sanibonani yini muma hlala entabeni. Yo yazini Moja Love. Ngicela nibhadele mina nami njengisekingeni. Mina nama basela amapilisi overdose ngendaba zenkinga zenu. Nimoshela i-life yakhe ase right, nimgezise emfuleni, nimenza yonke inhloko yonke into ifuna ukuyenzeka uyayenza. Mara namhlanje anifuna ukumbhadala, umbhadeleni. Angisho nathi anifuna ukusibhadala. Nidlala ngathi, niqeda ukudlala ngathi, sinikeza imali encane, sicela ukuthi imali yethu iphelele. Unyaka isizini ephelileko sasebenza nani kamnandi kunganakinga kungananex. Nje nisithumela nguMaseko. UMaseko ngisamfuna empilweni nami. Angisamfuni empilweni nami emndenini nami. Ni business gijimisa ngoMaseko for in. Azisitshela ukuthi thina angeke athi sidila nobani Aubrey namazi Aubrey this Aubrey this. Angifuni ukuzwe indaba kaMaseko la elokhanje la kimi. Angisamfuni. Why ningabhadeli mina namhlukene naye ngihlukanene naye. Angisamfuni ukumbona escreenini. Lokuthi nimgunda amashishi namgunda nakathi kunini nithi ayenze lokhu uyakwenza. Ufuna ukwazi ukuthi inkinga engaka yini enenza ukuthi nilokhanye size sifike kuleni indima esifike kuyo. Angisafuni ukumbona escreenini nama repeaters, angisafuni next. Angifuni ukuluza umntwana nami nendaba eMoja Love. Nami ngifuna imali lami. Ngiyayifuna ngisebenzele bangalali ebusuku. Ngiyaphasi phezulu.
South Africans, iMoja Love ithi ihamba isiza abantu of which yonke lento abayenzayo lapha on screen ayikho. They just go and bribe people. Even namanje bachitha imizi yabantu ngale show yaJola 99 of which last week they were bebase PE of which PE abantu ababashutile bonke bababhadala ama 1.5. Ngikuthatha phi lo kuseza kusasekuncane engisakuletha ama highlights nase Kempton Park they know ukuthi kwenzakaleni and I still have in proof ya yonke le nto leyo. So manje okunye okulandelayo la bangisendele ama letter of which ama letter bengithreatenishwa bathumele uOprita uthumele ipuppet yakhe of which puppet yakhe uBrandon right wangisendele letter of which akasena access yokungifonela uObrita, akasena access yokungifonela uArch, second puppet kaObrita uArch. Uyangithola? So manje njengoba size la asisithi sodwa abakhalayo ngeMoja Love sibaningi. I've spent 6 years ngisebenza eMoja Love, but okuningi nizokuza ku podcast, nizokuza emaphepheni. Kwamanje kusasa ama highlight. Ngiyabonga.
Enough is enough South Africa. Moja Love like yasiyuza kakhulu. Isizile njengoba bashilo bafowethu sibaningi besikhalayo. So sifuna ukuthi kuphele yonke imvelo basendayo. Sibete kakhulu, siluze nempilo zethu. NMT bakhona ukuhamba ba-bribe abantu, bakhona ukudonate abantu njengale bayikhiphe 250,000 kubantwana nabashonile. Mara bona bahluleka ukubhadala kuthina i-7 tabo lesibasita ukuthi bona bakhona ukuphumelela, baphumelela ngathi. So lokuningi sokukhuluma ku-podcast.
So mina engikubuzayo, iMoja Love ine show bathi sikhipha ama-file, but ama-file wabo asendlini awakaveli. So yithi ke sizonivezela wona ke Mzansi. Game on. Moja Love asihlangane nisiboneni ke manje.
Besides ama-file wabo abolile guys. Durban, where are you? Cape Town, where are you?
Kunabantu eDurban
guys.
abalahlekelwe imisebenzi ngendaba yeMoja Love. Basebenzisa izinto zasemsebenzini ukuthi bashute kuphuma i-contact. Namhlanje bahlela abasebenzi. Ngibuya kancane.
Bahlukene namakhampani wabo anzima ekubeka abakhulisela abantwana ezindlini zabo because of fake content. See, Sugar Mommy, there was a lady obeka driver itruck. That lady bamskemile. She was scammed because of iMoja Love. Namhlanje icompany imthrow out ushanyela iskontiri ucosha amaphepha izingane zilambile izingane azidli, then they don't care abasena ndaba bona because of bakutholile abakufunayo kuye babenefitile the way babenefite ngakhona inside the office now as we speak.
Asivali sizoqhubeka kuseza.
Siyabuya.
Sisazodlula South Africa nisazozwa kusasekuncane lokho. Sisaya phambili sizosuka manje sizoya ku-embassy yase South Africa sikwazi ukuhlangana namanye ama-embassy ngendaba eyenzeka bayazi ukuthi kwenzeka. Ilethe yakho ngisasenayo. Siyabonga.
Siphez kwayo naleyo.
Thank you.